So I wanted to show you today how I cut the lace. This is my Emma hairpiece, and this was the second one that I purchased. The first one is the one that I've shown you washed and curly, and I've straightened it. So this is the second one that I have because I absolutely love this Emma hairpiece, and it is their silver, as you can see here, a silver straight bob. When you wash it, it's curly. So you can wear it either way, and I've shown you how to straighten it. So let's see how because I would like to wear this. So let's cut it. I'm just going to cut it straight up the middle, like that. And what you want to do is make sure you clip it back so you don't cut into it. Just don't be afraid to do this. You can do this. I use these small scissors, and see how they're curved away. So I like to use them where they're away from the hair and away from the lace, so you're not maybe accidentally cutting up to it. But just take your time and take small cuts. So this actually goes all the way up to the ear that goes down here, right and around. So this can actually be cut shorter. You can even cut it off across the hair. You just have to determine where it's going to hit on your scalp and your head. So sometimes people think that it's coming down over their ear. Well, it's meant that you could just cut it and cut it to fit your hairline and where your ear is. So I'm just going to cut first. I'm going to just cut up straight to here, kind of holding a little bit of tension. And I just cut 1/8 of an inch, between 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch away from the hair. And then I'm just kind of, with my fingers, holding back any baby hairs that come down. If you cut those, it's going to be okay. A lot of people are really afraid of this, but there's no reason to be afraid of it. You've got this. You can do this. Just take your time and little baby cuts like that. And there you go, that first cut's done. And then I'm going to come over here. I will make this more customized to me when I get it on, and I determined, is this in the right place for my hair, for my ear. And I'm just cutting up under there and cutting the lace away, and I'll customize it more after I get it on. Okay, so just like that, that first side is done. And now we're going to go to this side. And then I'm going to cut up and go this direction. And I think I might just cut again. See how you can just cut it up to there and give yourself some space to cut. Just like that. Isn't that beautiful, that hairline on this? And then I'm going to move this up a little bit more. Get the hair more out of the way. See how that lace comes all the way up under there? So you can go follow that around. Again, it's going to depend on your actual hairline and where your ear is, but just don't be afraid of it. I love this hairline. And just like that, you've cut your hairline, and then it's all ready to wear. And now I'm going to actually put her on to show you. Move the hairline up. And that's feeling really good. There's no itch there. There's nothing there to And look how pretty this is. This is how it came to me out of the box. It's just beautiful. And just make sure I got that where I want it. You can always measure, right? 4 fingers above your eyebrows. And that's it. She is so pretty. She's human hair and so soft. Look at that. Just absolutely beautiful. Silky, soft, human hair and a beautiful silver color. Kind of a silver, I always think of this looks kind of like, it's not gray. It's not like gray hair. It's more like silver, blonde, a champagne silver, if that makes sense. That's the color I get from this. So it's not a gray-haired color, but more of a silver hair that, you know, the trendy of getting your hair colored and wanting to go with the silver. So it is a trendier look and absolutely beautiful. And this comes from Emma Hairpiece, and she is listed. I'll list the link below and all the details. It's also, the link is in my link tree in my bio. So if you go to the link tree, it will take you and you'll see what the wig is and their discount with Emma Hairpiece.